another video. So today is wash day, and I wanted to show you guys my updated wash routine because two things have changed since my previous videos, or at least my first wash day routine. One of these changes you guys probably already know about. I do not band anymore because I just felt like the rubber bands were causing unnecessary breakage on my ends, specifically having to pop them out. But if you are a beginner in your journey, like 6 months or less, I would not recommend that you don't band. I feel like you should band for at least the first 6 months, and then after that you can make your own decision as to whether or not you think that you still need to. I actually think that I stopped banding my hair a little after 6 months, maybe 8 months. The second thing that has changed is the fact that I'm using a new shampoo. I have added a shampoo to my collection. Y'all know that the Old Faithful shampoo, the OG, the one that I'm probably always going to use, Canva clarifying shampoo. I've been using this since the beginning. So the reason why I use a clarifying shampoo is because it offers a really deep cleanse. It cleanses your scalp of all of its natural oils, and it really gets your hair squeaky clean. I'll have the shampoo linked down below if y'all want to use it or try it out. But the one that I have added to my wash day is this one. This is by Shea Moisture. It's the baobab and tea tree oils low porosity protein free shampoo. I strictly use this because it smells really good. It smells like, honestly I can't even describe the smell to you, but it smells really good. So normally I go in and I wash my hair with this one first, and then I go in with this. This is like the main shampoo that I'm using to actually cleanse my hair, and then I'm just adding this, like I said, for the smell. So this is what my hair looks like after I take it out of a bun. I had my hair up pretty much all week this week. Before I start washing my hair, I have to braid it because I'm still braiding, I'm just not banding it. So if y'all watched my last wash day video where I used the Herbal Essence shampoo, I mentioned that it was really hard for me to get my scalp clean. And I feel like that has nothing to do with the shampoo itself, maybe just my skills of washing my hair. And also because I didn't really part my hair in clean, neat sections, which is what I've been trying to do lately, just so that it won't have any white residue from my shampoos. So that's what I've been working on. And yes, it is a little bit more time consuming, but once I get it down, it'll be fine. So I'm just gonna go in and part my hair as neatly as possible so that I can have an easier time washing my hair. Y'all, I cannot see. I need glasses. I'm trying to use the viewfinder in my camera so that I can see if I'm making the part straight, and it's all blurry to me. We're just gonna go with this. And also, while I'm on here talking to y'all, I wanted to let y'all know that whenever you're braiding your hair to get ready to wash it, try not to braid it so tight at the roots because you need to get in there and wash it. So give yourself a little bit of space to really scrub your scalp, because if you do it too tight, then you won't be able to get inside of the little braid that you made and wash it correctly. I'm not making these parts perfect, but it's much better than me just grabbing and going like I was doing last time. So now that I look crazy, I'm about to go ahead and wash my hair. I'm going to start with the clarifying shampoo, and then I'm going to finish off with this Shea Moisture. Alright y'all, so I just got out the shower and pleased with the fact that my lipstick didn't come all the way off. But anyways, this is a hair video. So I washed my hair with these two shampoos. I mainly focused the clarifying shampoo on my scalp, and then I went over my scalp again with this shampoo, but not really focusing on it. And I also went down the length of my braids with this Shea Moisture shampoo. Y'all, smells so good. But this little lock decided to make its way out of one of my braids. I'm still using a t-shirt to dry my hair rather than a towel. Okay. This shirt is drenched. But anyways, that is basically my wash day routine. I want to remind you guys to not get too caught up and stressed about what shampoo you use. Whatever shampoo that you decide to use, make sure that it is clear rather than a cream consistency. So by clear, I can show you what this one looks like. Okay, so I don't even know if you can see this. This shampoo is just clear. You can't even see it on my hands probably. And then this one, you can probably see through the bottle. It has a colored tint to it, but it's basically clear. You just don't want to use any creamy shampoos. So this is it for wash day. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions for me, feel free to leave them in the description box. Not the description, the comment section, and I'll get back to you. I'll talk to y'all in my next video, and I'm out. This is always a struggle for me.
If you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
One of the best to ever do it.